running through here, man. When you went by, you almost splashed water on the blue. Just ask nicely.
Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and we're with the boy Big Back Moto on his two-stroke. Oh. Yo! I'm like practicing, bro. Let's go. Bruh, I wonder who's faster. Not faster. I wonder who's faster, bro. A 150 or a 125? We're gonna have to test that out. Woo! He's on Supermoto wheels too, bro. And that boy off-roading. Yo, where the hell are we going, brother? Oh, whoop section, dog. Where the hell are we, bro?
Almost wiped out that sand.
You say what?
Almost wiped out that sand. The front went whoop.
Bro, I was like, it's gotta be sketchy. We're about to get a little muddy. I got a feeling, bro. The further we go into this, the more mud that's gonna appear. Mudding with a Supermoto 125 and a 150R, bro. Let's flip and get it. Ah! Oh my god. Bro, what? A damn beach? Bro, this is sick. Bro, look at homie. Hey, is this salt water?
No,
It's fresh water.
yeah.
Bro, I'm about to rip through it. Bro, imagine this going straight across, bro. Or a wheelie through this would be so sick. I'm gonna hit a little wheelie.
Hey, no, we got kids and dogs running through here, man. Nope. If it's cool, if you guys just take it out there.
Yeah, we're just getting one clip and we're gonna be out.
Dude, when you went by, you almost splashed water on the blue. Just ask you nicely, Jack.
Oh yeah, my bad. I didn't even know there's food there.
Appreciate you. We're leaving soon. Just wanted to get a clip real quick. No, stay. Fucking stay. No, you're good. We didn't expect people to be out here. Enjoy yourself.
Yes, sir. Okay. Big Back Moto! Yo, that was wild. Yo, look at him go. That was wild though, bro. The homies, they were so angry, but so not angry at the same time. Like, they were mad just because their food was right there, and I had no idea, bro. I was like, hey! Mason! Hey! They were, oh shit, my bad.
They were like passive aggressive.
I was like, they were so angry, but so cool. And so, like,
Yeah.
I think it was because we were.
You're good. But stay.
Yeah, I understand though, because if their food was right there, you don't want to get that shit wet.
I get it.
But like, it was so funny because I was like, oh, they're gonna be pissed, and we come up to them, they're pissed, but then they're like, nah, just our food's there. You can stay here, but just
Yeah,
you know, like,
No, I get it.
it was crazy, bro.
But it's fun out there, right?
Bro, that's sick, bro. If no one was there, I would want to just rip the whole beach, like, just haul ass down the beach.
All this you can fuck around in.
Let's just explore though. Let's go through some trails and shit.
I'll follow you.
Bro, what a cool area. Woo! Little wheel ski. So jump. Damn, I smell like a dead animal right there. Ah! I almost died. Yo, let's go down that way, bro. What took you so long? Bro, him on the Supermoto tire is so sketchy. Hello, have a great day. Look at him. Woo, so sandy, bro. But the best thing to do is just gas it out, brother. Just gas that bit out. Oh, the trail's getting tighter. Oh, I need to get in the middle. I'm crooked. How did he get through that smoother than me, and he has freaking Supermoto wheels on, bro? How is that possible? Someone explain. Bro, that guy, yo, hey, that guy always looks at us like we're crazy.
His name's Mr. Richard.
You know him?
Yeah.
Why does he look mean? He's like, Mr. Richard don't like us, bro. I can't believe Big Mac Moto knows his name. Let's race! You want to go from a dig or a start?
Sure.
A dig? Alright. Alright, hold on. On you or me?
Okay.
You'll start it?
1, 2,
3, alright. We both up, bro. Yo, we both up.
Second didn't want to shift.
Let's just go from a roll. Second. They're close. Let's go, bro. You already know we out here in the wheel ski. and this is slippery, so if you go sideways, you can go like that. Bro, that scared me. Oh my god. You almost nailed it, dude. Well, I think you did hit it, but like, you didn't.
I hit it?
I think it went into the front tire, but you didn't run it over.
Oh, okay.
Rather, the black racer was like.
Yeah.
Did you not see it?
I saw it like last second.
Damn, Florida. That's the thing with Florida, bro. You might come across a black racer or a freaking python. Or whatever else kind of snake, a freaking lizard snake, you never know what you're gonna find. The Brian Deegan 2-stroke. Alright, let's hit a little daily donut on that Baboa. Hey, record this.